happens. I'm gonna see what happens when you put a marshmallow, a jumbo marshmallow, in the microwave. So, open it up, have the marshmallow, put it in. I'll put it in for about 10 seconds, I guess. So, time cook, 1, 0, start. Okay. So what's gonna happen? Hopefully you guys can see it. Oh, did you guys see that expand? Okay, I'm gonna put it in for another 5 seconds. No, 8. I think it's blowing up. Oh no. Oh, oh my. It tastes like fluff. But I'm gonna actually taste test it. Oh, hey, Charlie. So, let's do a taste test. Yeah, it tastes like fluff. It tastes exactly like fluff, which is pretty good. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and bye!